Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab USA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and we are back to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Rocket Lab USA as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 328.49% since we first recommended purchasing Rocket Lab USA 81 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.06% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a possible change of 171% in the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 98% and 227%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 60% over the next year, with returns that could vary from a decrease of 44% to an increase of 90%. This implies a price range of $12.70 to $43.79 after 1 year. In our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA, we have the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday's trading session. The stock price of Rocket Lab USA Inc. decreased by 4.74% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, falling from $24.16 to $23.01. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.82%, with a low of $22.50 and a high of $24.26. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 19.28% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is often a positive indicator as trading volume typically follows stock performance. The trading volume fell by 11 million shares, resulting in a total of 30 million shares exchanged for approximately $692.21 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $28.03, while the lowest was $3.47. Currently, the price stands at 17.91%, or $5.02, below the 52-week high of $28.03, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab has recently reported a significant backlog totaling $1.05 billion, marking an impressive 80% increase year over year. This backlog consists of $326 million in launch services and $721 million in space systems, indicating robust demand for its offerings. Their third quarter revenue reached $105 million, reflecting a 55% annual growth, largely driven by their space systems segment. Despite this growth, Rocket Lab stock experienced volatility, recently dipping around 11% after a remarkable 155% rise in November. The stock's impressive gains over the past year, totaling around 500%, reflect strong investor sentiment, primarily driven by Rocket Lab's expanding operational capabilities and its successful launch record, including 2 missions completed in under 24 hours. Adding to their momentum, Rocket Lab secured a grant of $23,900,000 from the U.S. Department of Commerce to enhance semiconductor manufacturing, which may provide further growth avenues and operational efficiencies. This investment underscores their commitment to scaling production and diversifying revenue streams. In the short term, the recent declines may cause concern. However, the solid backlog and growth trajectory suggest a favorable outlook. Long-term, Rocket Lab's focus on technological advancement and strategic investments positions it well in the competitive space sector, making it an intriguing prospect for investors seeking exposure to the burgeoning aerospace market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BIG assigned RKLB a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, it was again reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities reported a market perform grade for RKLB with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup assigned RKLB a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it is likely to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $24.70. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $15.92. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, November 29, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 15.65%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading session, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 84 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 60 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 133 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 127 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19 and $18.83. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In the case of Rocket Lab USA Inc., support lies just beneath today's level at $19. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.83 and $17.36. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.76 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 7.82%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of negative 11 cents. It is crucial to pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $24.06. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $19. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of November, 2024, Saint-Merlin executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Spice Adams C made an insider sale of 62,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, Klein Frank conducted an insider sale of 35,968 shares of common stock. Also on the 25th of November, 2024, Campani Arjun sold 28,562 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 19th of November, 2024, Olson John A. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 88.587. In total, insiders acquired 5,437,177 shares and sold 73,346,353 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.72, reflecting a decrease of 5.60%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Rocket Lab USA Inc. shows several positive signals, yet we still do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the present level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last assessment from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we expect Rocket Lab USA to open at approximately 24 cents and begin trading around $23.26. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us at Stock Invest.